Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you a case that this brand sent to me for the new iPhone 17. So with that being said, I'm going to show you one of the cases that I have over here. So stay put, because if you have your new iPhone 17, you may want to pay attention to one of the best, if not the best, phone case that you can have for your new phone. Check it out. We're going to dive in right now. Well, in this case, you're going to see this beautiful case right here, this phone case for your new phone, which I have to say that looks fantastic just on the outside. Of course, something really cool is that it comes with the Shockproof right here on the rounded corners and a really nice grip right here on the side. So in case that you like to have your phone in your hands at all times or you're working with your phone, it comes with a perfect grip right here on the side. Another good thing is that the lenses are going to be protected right here because they're going to be inside of the case, not outside. So this is going to keep them elevated in case that you want to put it horizontally, or if your phone falls and lands horizontally as well. I do have to say that I love this kind of like crystal clear, transparent, actually not crystal clear, transparent kind of like fade right here, because it will showcase more of the colors of your phone. But also what you're gonna see right here is probably one of the best features. You see that right away. We're gonna pop up the phone right here and see it fits perfectly. Actually, this is the perfect color for this phone, for the test phone actually, with the orange accents. As I was just telling you before, your lenses are not gonna touch the surface, as well as it folds and lands like this. But of course, the best feature is gonna be just this one. Check this out. You have a portrait stand, you have a horizontal stand, you can rotate it also if you want. But again, the best thing is gonna be taking advantage of a MagSafe power bank and just using the wireless charger like this one, for example, or using this mount with the MagSafe for a phone holder in your car. I do think that that is fantastic, such a good feature. And of course, it's not only going to protect your phone, but also it's going to make it to look fantastic.